Hey guys, Madison here. Welcome back to another art video. Today we're going to be testing the Splash and Color Heart Funnel. And oh my god, how cute is this? Not only cute, but very functional. There are quite a few different pieces that you can use to switch this tool up. Today I'm going to be using that straight center slotted piece, and then I think it is either a 10 or a 12 piece attachment that doubles as a stand for when you're filling up your paint. Now if y'all watch my videos, you know I like to start usually with a base of white. I like to add an excess of white to start, just so there's a lot of coverage with the paint right from the beginning. Now let's start adding some paint. So one of the best parts about this funnel is that centerpiece is fitted. So you can take your time filling up those slots with different colors if you'd like, because there's not going to be any leaks. For the design here, I was mostly relying on the base attachment piece. I noticed that when I lift it up and then push it back into the paint, it starts these layers of flowers. So you can see here, the first long layer is just where the paint was coming out, and those two center flowering bits are from me lifting and putting the funnel back into the paint. And then of course we're gonna spin it out on the Lazy Susan. This looks really cool right away, but for science, you know we're gonna continue. For science, I did want to see what it would look like just to get some clearer layers with the paint I was adding in. So here you see me go directly from the bottle of paint to the funnel, but the funnel still does have that bottom attachment where the paint is coming out and creating the design. This experiment, I would say, was a total success because I ended up creating this awesome galaxy flower. Now, my floors are not quite level, so sometimes my Lazy Susan gets a little tilty, and I am just a stickler for that kind of stuff, so I had to go right back in and try again. This experiment is black and white layers just to see how that would turn out. Guys, my Lazy Susan and this whole level issue is driving me a little crazy, so I tried something way different than I normally would. I took that bottom piece and just stamped it into the paint over and over again to achieve that effect you saw. And I thought it looked kind of like a kaleidoscope, so I wanted to make this like a flower kaleidoscope piece. Again, I continued to stamp it to achieve this effect here, and I really like how it turned out. And here is the final result. If you guys are interested in Splash & Color's heart funnel or any of their products, they did give me a 15% off code that anybody can use. It's MaddieSunArt15. It will be listed down in the description as well, along with a link to their Etsy shop. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to MaddieSunArt.com to check out some artwork for yourself. For daily inspiration, head over to my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.